In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Valorant on a PC. Before we do get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you currently have Valorant installed, the first thing that you're probably going to see is Riot Client, which is the launcher used for Valorant. Whenever you open it, you'll usually land on the home page or the Valorant tab itself. But if you do click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go into your settings, you'll notice there's options like repairing the game. However, this only fixes corrupted files and it does not uninstall the game. To actually fully uninstall Valorant, what you're going to want to do is close out of the Riot client and then select this little Windows taskbar. And if you see Riot still running in here, just right click on it and then go ahead and select exit just like so. And I'm just using the NVIDIA app as an example. But from here, go down to the Windows search bar and go ahead and type in add or remove programs and hit enter. And in this section, go ahead and search specifically for Valorant in here and it's going to pop up. Now, I just uninstalled Valorant for a previous video, so we're going to use Call of Duty Black Ops 3 as an example. But essentially, go ahead and find Valorant on here, click the three dots next to it, and then go ahead and select uninstall. This is immediately going to launch Valorant, and then you just got to follow the prompts on screen, and Valorant will begin uninstalling from your PC. It really is as simple as that. Valorant's now going to be fully uninstalled. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.